Welcome to Don Ruba's ETM 110 class. Today we'll be showing you a no-flow fault circuit. My name is Brandon. That's Matt behind the camera. Alright, so you're going to come over here. So how our circuit works is that we have this flow switch here. It's hooked to a timer, and whenever this flow switch indicates no current is going, this timer will activate this light over here, and it will flash too to indicate that there's no flow. So let me turn on power here. Flip the breaker, which is a means of our disconnect. And as you can see right now, if you look in this flow switch, this peg here indicates there's no flow. And then if I just press it with my finger here, indicates flow. The no flow indicator goes off, and that's our circuit.
Alright.
The version of our circuit. First, we have a stop and start button hooked up. Stop will be like a means to disconnect, instantly turn off power to the circuit relay. Once you press the start button, it will turn on the control relay 1 over here. And then the flow switch is off, indicating there's no current going through. This timer will start. And when the flow switch is off, or this timer is running, this pilot light will be activated, and to show no fault, it will be blinking. It's kind of fast.
Yeah, it was. Calculations. Our first one was sizing a fuse with 1,000 volt amps. I equals watts over volts equals VA over V equals 1,000 over 120 equals 8.3 amps times 1.25 equals 10.416 amps. So we figured out that the next size up is a 15 amp fuse we will need to protect our primary winding.
Yep.
And then for our primary winding is 240 volts, and to our secondary winding was 120 volts. So we figured that out to be a 2-to-1 turns ratio from the primary to the step down winding. And then this is our drawn out circuit. We have L1 and L2, 240 volts converted into 120 volts. And then we have our overcurrent protection right here, the circuit breaker. Comes into our means of disconnect, the stop button, into the start button with the memory, into the circuit relay, down into our flow switch, which will be activated when there is no flow, setting off timer relay 1 with the memory into the pilot light, causing it to blink.
And this circuit is a no-flow fault circuit with a flashing light to indicate that there's no flow. This is